Today you will learn about types of computer ports and connectors. In the video you can see there is an USB image. USB is a universal serial bus. It is the most common connector we use every day. With USB you can connect keyboards, mouse, storage drivers, printers and even charge your phone. There are different types: USB-A, the classic rectangular port, micro USB used in older phones, and USB-C, the modern standards that's faster and reversible. USB-C also support quick charging and high-speed data transfer, making it future of connectivity. That's why USB is called the universal connector of technology. In the video you can see a HDMI port. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It's a connector that carries both videos and audio through a single cable. With HDMI, you can connect your computer, gaming console, or laptop to a monitor, TV, or projector. It supports high quality HD and even 4K video, along with clear digital sound. Unlike older connectors like VGA or DVI, HDMI is simple, modern, and widely used. That's why HDMI is most common way we connect our devices for display today. In the video you can see the Ethernet. Ethernet also called RJ45. RJ45 is a port used for wired internet connections. It looks like a slightly bigger telephone plug and connects a computer or router with a network cable. Ethernet provides faster and more stable internet compared to Wi-Fi, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and office network. Even though Wi-Fi is popular, Ethernet is still trusted when speed and reliability really matter. In the video you can see there is the audio jack 3.5 mm. The audio jack, also called the 3.5 mm port, when we plug in headphones, earphones or speakers, it's a small round hole you can find on your computer, phones and music players. Through this port, sound travels from your devices to computer ears. Even though many new phones are removing it, the 3.5 mm jack is still very common and useful for listening the music or recording with a microphone. In the video you can see there is a DisplayPort. DisplayPort is a port used to connect a computer to a monitor. It looks like with HDMI, but one side has a small cornet card. DisplayPort can carry both video and audio, just like HDMI, but it's designed mainly for computers. It supports very high resolutions and smooth refresh rates, which make it great for gaming and professional graphics work. So while HDMI is common for TVs, DisplayPort is often the choice for powerful PCs and monitors. In the video, you can see the SD card slots. The SD card slots is a small opening in laptops, cameras, and some tablets. You use it to insert an SD card, which is like a tiny storage chip. It's most used in cameras to save photos and videos, and in laptops to transfer files quickly. Some slots also support micro SD cards with an adapter. The SD card slot is an easy way to add more storage or move data from one device to another. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.